our esteemed guests, kasi our Congressman Gallo, Congressman governors, the host governor of Medyo Biglas, the province of Benguet, our elected officials, fellow public servants, private sector representatives, fellow Cordilleras, na imbag na alda na tayo tayo. I'll be reading the message of our RDC Chair, Governor Elias Siguro. This month of July holds deep significance to the people of the Cordilleras. It is in July of 1987 that our region was created through Executive Order number 220. And today, we come together anew to commemorate this momentous milestone and to celebrate the rich heritage, resilience, and unity of the Cordilleran people. This year, we honor our history, celebrate our achievements, and reaffirm our commitment to the future we envision for our region by celebrating the 39th Cordillera Month. Our theme for this year's celebration is Smart Cordillera, enabling local enterprises through digital transformation and accelerated regional autonomy. We have at the helm of the 2026 festivities of the Economic Development Sector Committee of the Regional Development Council, chaired by Director Raymond Palmon, the Department of Trade and Industry, Cordillera Administrative Region, and co-chaired by Mr. Rinaldo Bautista, the Jaime B. Ongpin Foundation. On this note, allow me to express my sincere appreciation to the RDC CAR Economic Development Committee, the Benguet Provincial Government, as well as the members of the Technical Working Group, whose dedication and hard work made this event possible. This year's Econdem celebration shines a spotlight on our local enterprises, especially in MSMEs, the backbone of our regional economy. I would like to take this opportunity to commend our MSMEs for their innovativeness and resilience, and to thank them for representing us at the national and global stages. Our Cordillera growers, especially coffee, who gained national recognition during the Philippine Coffee Quality Competition. Mr. Rodrigo Tacdoy of Benguet, who won first place in the Arabica under the smallholder farms category at the Philippine Coffee Quality Competition. Can we have a round of applause? And achieved a record price of 9,900 per kilogram. Mr. Garland Likigan of Sagada placed 6th overall and received the Best Arabica under wash process citation. And we give him a round of applause also. While Mr. Ganesh Highland Lawage, also from Sagada, experimental coffee citation. Can we give him a round of applause also? And to our MSMEs and industry drivers, you make us proud to be Cordilleras. The 39th Cordillera Month celebration is especially meaningful as the Cordillera Administrative Region continues to move forward on a sustained path of progress, particularly in our decades-long pursuit of regional autonomy. This month, we celebrate a stronger, louder advocacy on autonomy through House Bill 6981 that that affirms the vision behind Executive Order Number 220, which established the Cordillera Car Compound at Botanical Garden, Baguio City. Administrative region and entrusted it with responsibilities in regional socio-economic development, in the preservation and promotion of our indigenous cultures and tradition. For nearly 4 decades, the Cordillera has continued to demonstrate its capacity to pursue development while safeguarding its unique cultural identity and wealth of resources. We have shown that our region can effectively address its challenges, harness its opportunities, and build partnerships that advance the welfare of our people. But as we celebrate our accomplishments, we also renew our commitment to the continuing pursuit of meaningful regional autonomy. Enshrined in our Constitution, autonomy remains a pathway toward more responsive governance, strong institutions, and development policies that reflect the realities and aspirations of the Cordilleran people. It is an aspiration rooted not only in our distinct identity, but also in our shared desire for a more empowered and self-reliant region. As we open this year's celebration, let us continue working together to preserve our heritage, strengthen our communities, and sustain the momentum of development for present and future generations. Let us continue to amplify our clamor for regional autonomy as provided by our Constitution, sustaining the momentum of our esteemed congressional representatives. On behalf of the Regional Development Council, Cordillera Administrative Region, I thank you who has contributed to the progress of our region and to the success of this celebration. And I hope, happy Cordillera Day. May you enjoy the rest of the program and the activities ahead. Agyaman na kada kayo amin, agbyag ni Cordillera.
Thank you very much, Mr. Michael M. Capanisas, co-chairperson of the Regional Development Council, Cordillera, and Minister Richard for delivering the message of Honorable Elias C. Bullock Jr., RDC Card Chairperson and Governor of Apayao.